Get ready to transform your health with the incredible benefits of flax seeds. You won't believe what they can do for you. Flax seeds may appear insignificant at first glance, yet their profound impact on health and disease prevention is undeniable. These small, brown or golden seeds are the fruit of the flax plant, which has not only provided us with invaluable nutrients, but has also been integral in the development of sustainable fabrics. In times past, flax was primarily valued for its fibers, used to make linens. Today, it's the seeds that are in the limelight for their health benefits. Rich in dietary fiber, antioxidants, and omega-3 fatty acids, they're considered a superfood by nutritionists worldwide. This section of our exploration delves into the historical journey of flax from ancient crop to modern superfood, highlighting its uses in various cultures and epochs. Flax seeds were revered in ancient civilizations from Egypt to China, not only for their nutritional value but also for their medical uses. Ancient Egyptians used flax seeds in ceremonial offerings and treatments, honoring their power to heal. By the 8th century AD, King Charlemagne was so convinced of flax seeds' benefits that he passed laws requiring his subjects to consume them. This historical journey underscores not only the enduring relevance of flax seeds, but also their potential in addressing contemporary health challenges. As we move forward, understanding this rich history can enhance our appreciation and application of flax seeds in daily life. The science behind flax seeds' health benefits begins with their impressive nutritional content. A tablespoon of ground flax seeds contains about 1.8 grams of plant omega-3s, lignans, which possess antioxidant qualities, and both soluble and insoluble fiber. These components together make flax seeds a formidable tool against various diseases. The high fiber content aids in digestion and regularity, while the omega-3 fatty acids are essential for heart and brain health. Lignans, meanwhile, provide an antioxidant and phytoestrogen shield that is linked to reduced risk of cancer. This trifecta of nutritional benefits forms the cornerstone of the health benefits that will be explored in the subsequent sections. Consuming flax seeds regularly can lead to a wealth of health benefits. Improved cardiovascular health studies suggest that flax seeds improve heart health by reducing blood pressure and enhancing cholesterol profiles. Enhanced digestive health. Their high fiber content helps promote regular bowel movements and maintain gut health. Cancer protection. The lignans in flax seeds may help reduce the risk of breast, prostate, and colon cancer. Adding flax seeds to daily meals can be a simple yet effective way to tap into these benefits. The versatility of flax makes it an easy addition to any diet. The connection between flax seeds and heart health is particularly compelling. Omega-3 fatty acids, primarily alpha-linolenic acid or ALA found in flax, have been shown to decrease inflammation and lower the risk of chronic conditions such as heart disease. Studies have highlighted how daily intake of flax seeds can lead to improvements in arterial health, potentially reducing the need for pharmaceutical interventions. This natural approach to preventing heart disease showcases the preventative power inherent in flax seeds. Continuing from the heart health benefits, their impact is not only preventative but also therapeutic, offering a natural remedy for those already battling cardiovascular conditions. This section will delve deeper into the mechanisms by which flax seeds contribute to cardiovascular health and examine real-world applications and testimonials. Flax seeds play a crucial role in diabetes management due to their high fiber content and the presence of lignans, which help stabilize blood sugar levels and improve insulin sensitivity. The soluble fiber in flax seeds slows down the digestion of sugars, thus helping to prevent spikes in blood glucose. Clinical trials have shown that patients with type 2 diabetes who included flax seeds in their diet noticed significant improvements in their blood sugar control. This has major implications for dietary guidelines and supports the integration of flax seeds into diabetic meal plans. The potential of flax seeds to aid in diabetes management is vast, offering a simple, natural method to control this widespread condition. Flax seeds have garnered attention in the oncology community largely due to their high levels of lignans, which are thought to have anti-cancer properties. These lignans act as antioxidants and phytoestrogens, which can interfere with the growth and spread of tumor cells. Research indicates that flax seeds can particularly be beneficial in the prevention of hormone-sensitive cancers such as breast and prostate cancer. They achieve this by altering hormone metabolism and reducing inflammation, both of which play roles in cancer development. The implications of these findings are profound, suggesting that regular consumption of flax seeds could be a strategic part of cancer prevention diets. The dietary fiber in flax seeds, both soluble and insoluble, aids in maintaining digestive health by enhancing bowel regularity and preventing constipation. Additionally, the mucilaginous fiber in flax can help to soothe irritated digestive tracts and absorb toxins within the bowel. This makes flax seeds an excellent dietary addition for those suffering from digestive disorders such as Crohn's disease or irritable bowel syndrome, commonly known as IBS. The seed's ability to support a healthy digestive system also contributes to overall wellness, as gut health is closely linked to immune function and mental well-being. Flax seeds offer a simple and effective dietary addition that can significantly improve digestive health and, by extension, overall quality of life. Beyond their internal health benefits, flax seeds also play a role in enhancing beauty, particularly in skin and hair care. The omega-3 fatty acids in flax seeds nourish the skin and hair follicles, promoting hydration and elasticity in the skin and preventing dry, brittle hair. Anecdotal evidence and small-scale studies suggest that topical application of flaxseed oil can reduce skin irritation, rashes, inflammation, and acne. The high antioxidant content also helps in fighting skin aging by battling free radicals and promoting new cell growth. This dual approach of internal consumption and external application makes flax seeds a versatile component of beauty routines, offering natural solutions for maintaining healthy skin and hair. Introducing flax seeds into a daily diet is remarkably easy due to their mild, nutty flavor and versatility. They can be added to smoothies, baked goods, yogurts, and salads without overpowering other flavors. Tips for incorporating flax seeds include grinding them to enhance nutrient absorption or using flaxseed oil as a salad dressing. It's important to start with small quantities to allow the digestive system to adjust and to ensure intake of enough water, as flax seeds absorb liquids. This section provides practical advice and recipes to help readers seamlessly integrate flax seeds into their diets, enhancing both taste and nutritional value. Despite their numerous benefits, there are some considerations to keep in mind when consuming flax seeds. For instance, raw flax seeds contain cyanogenic glycosides, which can release cyanide when metabolized. However, this risk is virtually eliminated with proper preparation and cooking. Additionally, those with certain bowel conditions should consult with a healthcare provider before introducing high-fiber foods like flax seeds into their diet. Understanding these challenges is crucial for safe and effective use of flax seeds in daily life. This part addresses the potential hurdles and how to overcome them, ensuring that readers can safely enjoy the benefits of flax seeds. As we advance further into the 21st century, the role of flax seeds in enhancing health continues to grow. Armed with a rich history, a robust nutritional profile, and a wide range of health benefits, flax seeds are poised to be a staple in the pursuit of holistic health and wellness. The integration of flax seeds into daily diets not only promises improved health outcomes, but also aligns with a global shift towards more natural, sustainable dietary practices. The future of health may well lean heavily on these ancient seeds, proving that sometimes the smallest things hold the key to significant changes. This essay has traversed from the historical paths to the modern-day applications of flax seeds, illustrating their enduring relevance and expanding potential. Whether for health, beauty, or dietary enhancements, flax seeds offer a multitude of benefits that are both profound and essential for a healthier tomorrow.